This is how I'm going to be making zucchini bread. It is going to be nice and zucchini flavor. There are many types of zucchini, all parts of those, the different colors like that. I just already preheat my oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Just you want to make sure the oven needs to be nice and hot. And you're just going to take about 9.3 by 5.2 by 2.7 inch loaf pan, spray it with non-stick cooking spray. I can use it with olive oil. I just line the bottom with a piece of parchment paper to fit the bottom. That way we're easy to release. So starting with the wet ingredients in a large bowl, I'm going to combine half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to put 2 large eggs, make sure it's room temperature. I'm also putting 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. I'm just going to beat well, really incorporate. I'm going to use it with a wire whisk. This is going to be real quick. Now I'm going to throw in some of the grated zucchini. This is going to be about 2 cups. If you know what type of zucchini do you want for it, like a Dunja, Black Beauty, I'm using about Magda zucchini. It has with a light green stripes. You can also use the rounded zucchini, the yellow zucchini, even the saffron zucchinis, or anyway for the uniform color. I measured about 2 cups. That's about for about 1.5 large size, hopefully. I'm just going to plop it over. Just going to keep going to blend. I already drained the zucchini with the excess liquid. We don't want that bread too soggy off the zucchini. Let's set this aside for just a moment ahead. Now for the dry ingredients in a separate bowl, I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm also going to put about 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, a 4 teaspoons of ground nutmeg, and a half teaspoon that I'm going to be using kosher salt because it has a pure and natural flavor. I'm just going to put that right into this. And just going to give this a stir. Again, I'm going to use a wire whisk. Then you want to gradually add the dry to the zucchini combos and keep stirring it well. We'll make a nice soft batter. Let's bring it over here. Put that right into this of the zucchini combo. Just going to make a soft batter. This zucchini kind of going to be turned green. There we go. I think this is really light batter, probably instead of soft. Alright, we're going to pour this batter into a prepared pan. You can also give it a little jiggle to break all the air bubbles. So next you want to bake it for 1 hour and 10 minutes until golden brown. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks. Alright, here it is. After it's about 1 hour and 10 minutes at 350, I just took it out from the oven. I put it on a wire rack and I cooled it for 20 minutes first. I already used the toothpick to insert it into the center of bread to check on it, see how moist it was, and it comes out clean. I'm going to cool it first for 20 minutes. I already removed it from the pan, already rounded it out with the butter knife after it's about 20 minutes first. I flip it over, put it back on the cooling rack. I'm going to keep cooling for secondly for 50 minutes, 50. Let's see how it looks like. Just after secondly for 50 minutes. You see how moist of the zucchini. And I'm just going to give you guys a little close up for the zucchinis. You can see how I'm slicing it. Now, for this tip, if you have any leftover bread after slicing, store it in an airtight container and refrigerate for later or next day. And let me give you guys for a close-up. Here's the zucchini right inside it, as you can see that. Hopefully it's going to taste great. I'll go take a picture and I'll send to them. And here's the finished zucchini bread. Look how smell-o-vision was. If you're interested for more recipes, write me down in the comments below if you want to say something. Always have to make sure to view all videos before sharing. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, enjoy. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.